Assalamu alaikum to everyone, dear students. Today we are going to know about the questions of the poem The Bengal Sailors. Now let us move towards the question number 1. Who is the speaker in the poem? Its answer is in the poem the speaker is a Bengal sailor. Question number 2 is how are the Bengals described in the first stanza of the poem and who are these Bengals for? Its answer is Bengals described in the first stanza of the poem are delicate, bright, rainbow tinted circles. Bengals for the daughters and wives. Now let us move towards question number 3. The question number 3 is the poet uses different similes for the Bengals. What are these? The answer of the question number 3 is these similes used in the poem are silver, blue, mountain, mist, bud, dream, flame of marriage, fire, etc. Now let us move towards the question number 4. Question number 4 is name the different colors of Bengals mentioned in the poem. What do these colors represent? Its answer is the colors mentioned in the poem are silver, blue, purple, golden and rainbow tinted. These colors represent different stages in the life of a woman. Question number 5 is the word some has been repeated in the poem for a purpose. What is it? Its answer is the word some repeated in the poem for different Bengals, persons and for different purposes.